How to add photo in Canva Resume. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Canva application. Then simply search for a resume template. Make sure to choose the template where the picture is shown. So in order to add your own picture, simply tap on this picture and then tap on three dot, or you can just delete the picture from here. Delete image. Make sure you delete the image, not the grid, and tap on the grid again. And now you can choose pictures to add by just tapping on the grid, and you have to add in this plus icon. Sorry, not this. You can tap on replace and then allow your gallery permission and then select the picture from your gallery. And yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.